Absolute dream come true. Yeah, absolutely over the moon.
A lot of defending, but from your point of view, not too many saves you had to make this evening.
No, that's how I love it. Every goalkeeper's the same, but then again you have to stay focused for the 90 minutes, and it might come to the last minute or the first minute. So.
And the defensive, throughout the whole campaign, only 2 goals conceded. It says a lot about the back 4 or the back 5 we got in front of you.
Yeah, absolutely. All of them have been amazing. Like I'm saying, we've got a philosophy in there that defending starts from the front. So all credit to the whole team.
Can you keep your feet on the ground now before Sunday?
Hope so. Yeah, as saying, we'll get good recovery time now. We'll have a good flight back home, and then we'll kick on again.
And do it hopefully in front of the Welsh fans, of the Welsh public in Cardiff, in Wales on Sunday.
Hope so. Like I said, hopefully we get a packed house and everyone comes and supports us, and hopefully we can cross the line. Cheers. Thank you. Cheers.